Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to move Counter-Strike 2 or any other Steam game from one PC to another without having to re-download the entire game. This method saves you tons of time and bandwidth by creating a backup file that you can transfer directly. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're in, direct your attention to the top menu bar where you'll find several options. Click on Library to access all your installed games. This will display your complete game collection in the main window. In the left panel, you'll see a list of all your games. Right-click on Counter-Strike 2 from this list, and a context menu will appear. From this menu, select Properties. This opens a new window with various settings and information about the game. In the Properties window, look at the left panel where you'll find several tabs. Click on Installed Files. This section contains all the options related to the game's local files and backup features, which is exactly what we need for transferring the game. Now click on Backup Game Files. This feature creates a compressed backup of your game that can be easily transferred to another computer. It's Steam's built-in solution for moving games without re-downloading them, and it works perfectly for large games like Counter-Strike 2. Next, click Browse to choose where you want to save this backup. This is an important step because you need to select a location that you can easily access for transferring to your other PC. A folder selection window will appear. In the left panel, choose your destination folder. You can select any local drive like C, D, or E, or even an external drive if you're planning to physically transfer the files. Once you've made your choice, click Select Folder to confirm your destination. After setting your destination, click Create Backup. Steam will now begin creating a compressed backup of Counter-Strike 2. This process might take a few minutes depending on the game's size and your storage speed, so be patient while Steam packages everything up. Once the backup is complete, move the backup files to your second computer using your preferred method, whether that's an external drive, network transfer, or cloud storage. Now, open your Steam app on the other computer and log in with your credentials. In the upper left corner of Steam, click on Steam to open the main menu dropdown. From this menu, select Restore Game Backup. This option tells Steam that you want to install a game from a backup file rather than downloading it fresh from the servers. In the Restore window, click Browse. You need to point Steam to the location where you placed your backup files on this new computer. Navigate through your folders and select the folder you added earlier that contains your backup files. Then click Select Folder. Steam will now recognize the backup and prepare it for restoration. Finally, click Restore Backup. Steam will extract and install Counter-Strike 2 from your backup files directly onto this computer. This process is much faster than downloading the game from scratch, especially for large titles. And that's it. You've successfully transferred Counter-Strike 2 to your new PC without re-downloading it. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.